how do you see the difference between Russian and Western country cultures? If you can generalize Western culture as one, but I mean, in general, what's the Western versus Russian culture difference in few words? What do you think? What are the biggest differences? You cannot untranslatable.
Yeah. So Russian people more emotional. Yeah, and that's why it happens problem with relationships. I also am going to do vlog about relationships. That's why some are problems because men, like American men or Western country man, doesn't understand Russian woman because Russian
they can't.
Yeah, he speak by facts, but we Russian girls, we want that you speak by heart, not only by facts. And maybe this guy, he loves her a lot of times. Like, for example, let's say, happy birthday.
Mm-hmm.
I also can compare because I also have friends in Italy and I also used to live in Italy a long time. And for example, imagine birthday in America. What people say, happy birthday.
Yeah.
In Italy, what people say, auguri. In Russia, с днем рождения, and they will say, happy birthday, you are the best person, I wish you this. I wish you to your wife this, I wish to these kids, successful business, good money.
Exactly.
In Russia, it will be very rude if you write to Russian person just happy birthday. You must do right. So,
I know.
Emotions, I think this is the main difference.
Yeah, and that's and same thing. By interesting about this, that many want like a Russian wife, etc., from the West, maybe, but not understanding that it's a whole different ball game, so to speak. Russian people, but then again, Russian women are. You have to understand the culture. It's not about just talking about stuff. You have to understand the culture and the way, like. How the genders are different, like men has to be a man in Russia and women has to be a woman, if you know what I mean.
Genders totally different. Yeah.